Hi. Today I'm going to show you how to make some casual sounds. Let's listen to some ready-made ones. Something like pick up a bottle. It's to take a bonus or a portal appearance maybe. The first sound, first layer, consists of the sound of liquid pouring out of the bottle. Valhalla frequency echo and compressor. Second layer. The same movement of the water. Filter freak processing, just the filter. Next, a splash of water. Here compressor and a little bit of delay. This is the sound of the marimba. And added a rock stroke. One more time together. The second sound, I didn't plan to make something specific, this is just a fantasy. Decide for yourself what this sound would be good for and write in the comments. So let's break down in detail what I made it from. This is the first layer. This layer consists of a kick drum and processing to make it sound more muted. Added a reverb to get a big space. The next part of the layer, made with kinetic metal. This is what it sounds like. And along with the kick drum. So, the second layer. I also did the same way, also used kinetic metal. But to add the effect of glow, using impulse reverb I added chimes to the sound. I also added a metallic punch in the space. So, the next layer. Also water. I wanted to add some water. I processed water with frequency echo and automatized it. Compressor and space. Next layer is just chimes. Next layer is a pad. Just took a major chord on the synthesizer. And the last layer. I just made it out of a hit. Like this. I distorted it with double lock. And put a filter on it. All of this is automated as well with frequency echo. A little bit of equalization and compression. I even had a few speed options. But I chose this one. Let's listen to it all together again. That's it. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel.